Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the dolphins do performance in every 4 hours. They did one show at 10. What is the timing of the next dolphin show? Here we have given dolphins do one show at 10 and doing performance in every 4 hours. So next performance time be 10 plus 4. So it is 14. So in 12 hours time, the show will be at 2.